it. Here we are. Okay, we found it. Here's our spot.
The outhouse.
Where's the outhouse? Look under the tree. There's potable water.
Oh, I'm gonna piss in the bush.
There's a guy right there.
Okay, we've arrived. There's our food tent. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. Yep, there's the fire pit.
We're roughing it.
I don't know about roughing it though. We've got an actual bed though, haven't we?
Oh yeah, look, it's a bit dirty.
We just hope that the rain doesn't.
Oh, it looks lovely. There's a bed, one bed. Perfect.
Charlie.
Oh, we didn't even need to bring beds.
There's a couple cots. He didn't tell us there was cots.
Perfect.
Well, I still want the air mattress.
And there is also, we've got an outhouse around here. This is where we have to go pee. And there's even an outdoor shower.
All right, let's go check out this outhouse shower situation. Here's the shower. Oh, it looks like the outhouse is over on the other side.
Okay, this is just to show you where we have to walk to go to the bathroom. To the loo. In the night, that will be quite scary. This is where... Oh, it's quite a posh toilet for camping. I thought it was going to be a hole in the floor. That's quite nice.
He's been there for 30
years,
35 years.
There's a picnic table here, so if we want to eat
Yep.
outside, we can too. Guys, look, we can sit on the logs.
Yeah.
Not as bad as I thought, but yeah, I might sit on that one. No, this one's mine. But this one's taller.
Oh,
Go.
Yeah.
Oh, go on. Do it. Do it.
1, 2, 3,
I'm gonna get hypothermia.
Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah,
Look at how clear it is too and clean.
Mama, you put your feet in the water.
Oh my God, Christy Lake is gross.
Like, it looks so deep, but it's more than cartwheels. How do you get back up?
You'll get up.
Mama, can I have your flashlight?
What? Who's going to video? He's got the flashlight.
Just follow Charlie.
But I don't want to follow Charlie.
You can do the next cave. You'll take turns.
Okay, let me.
Okay.
We can take turns.
Give me your hand.
Wait, no. I think yeah, you can just like push up. Mummy, here. Merry Christmas. What do you mean it's dirty? I didn't even get a single speck. Well, they probably went further.
You guys have to go down that one down there. Then keep on going down. Take every
Can you really? Oh.
Yeah, well.
Are you going in, Charlie?
If I can fit.
Go on.
You can. I'm gonna.
He's going on an adventure.
Wait, Charlie. Put my phone down somewhere safe. That's not safe.
We're going in the caves. We're going on an adventure.
Come on in. Welcome to my den.
This is...
That's as far as I'm going.
All right, let me watch you.
I can't. No,
Let's-
because you're going to video me slipping.
Yeah, well, we got to see how you make it across. There you go. You got it.
Easy.
Oh, yeah.
Just walked through and climbed up like I did.
There's beavers in here.
Oh, there's beavers in the den. Let's go find the beavers.
Let's go. Oh, Charlie, you're narrating. It's a bit of a drop.
Oh, wow. Be careful.
Yeah, it's quite of a drop. How do you get back up? Pull up on that, I guess. You don't. You don't get back up.
No.
Yeah, you cannot. You can get down, but not back up. Yeah. Charlie, say hi. We're in a different cave now because we couldn't get in the other one. Yeah, I have my shoe. Don't lose your shoe. almost died. Say hi, Mummy.
Hi, Mummy.
Okay, new video because I accidentally paused or stopped it instead of paused. Guys, look at this. Mummy found number 7. Hang on, Charlie's exploring this one. Oh, okay. I'm not going in there. Oh, okay. Hello. How do you get out of this? Guys, I need help. Guys, we're going into this cave.
There must have been like a major big like earthquake or
Avalanche.
YouTube. Hey guys, follow us, like and subscribe.
Welcome
Emily
back.
and Charlie's adventures in the caves.
Oh, guys.
No, you do have a GoPro video, like camera that goes on. You put it around your head, like. Yeah, this would have been perfect.
Oh, guys, it connects to another hole. It connects. I'm gonna go to the. Don't touch your head, guys. Guys, we're back on the video. I accidentally went back home. Guys, it connects. Emily, where did you go? I'm coming up. I'm in the giant hole. Can you hear me? Yes. You're really close. I am. Can you see the hole? I can. Hi. It moves. It's alive.
Do it again.
No.
Oh. It's raining, so we're sitting having our dinner in this little tent.
The food tent. Yeah.
And we can't get the fire or the barbecue started, so we're all eating cold food.
It's not raining anymore, but like on and off. It's wet, and it's on and off too.
Yeah. We have a perfectly good barbecue, but can't get it started.
What you doing? You sure? Read the instructions to me. I want to hear it. You read us the instructions.
To ignite, push and turn on the ignition burner.
Yeah. Is that
Push and turn ignition burner knob to high. Push and hold electric ignition button until burner lights. Yeah, I can't even hear any gas coming out. No. In nature.
we got the barbecue working?
Yes, and I'm cooking up breakfast for tomorrow because we've had dinner which was cold. So I'm making bacon for the morning just in case it's raining in the morning. So we are prepared.
It is raining, so let's go see what the kids are doing. Hello.
Hi.
Looks very cozy in there.
Hola. Soy Dora. If you want to be a penguin or penguins, follow me. Penguins, attention. Penguins, salute. Right flipper.
Right flipper.
Left flipper.
Left flip.
Right foot.
Right foot. Left foot. Beak.
Hunchback.
Hunchback. Spinner.
Actually, Emily, I'll push you out. I got myself. Mommy, hurry up!
Where's Renee? Oh, there she is. Woo!
Bye bye. I'm in the lead now. Mommy, hurry up. You're going. It won't turn. No. Coming up behind you. Mommy, can you stop squeezing? We're out. We're out. No. Coming into some more. That sand right there. That's how shallow it is. Guys, that's.
So peaceful.
I'm gonna try and clean up all the.
Everyone look at me.
Hang on. There's also a couple bug bites on my back. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Mommy, are you stuck again?
It's raining.